Savior, you found me in the dark when my soul was weak and broken. You never walked away. Late in the night, when the world grows cold, I was searching for peace for my weary soul. Every road I walked felt so alone, till your mercy came and led me home. I was drowning deep in fear and pain, trying to heal but nothing changed. Then I heard your voice inside the storm, saying, "Child, you are reborn." And now my heart beats only for you. Every breath I take, Lord, pull me through. Even when the shadows fall, I hear your holy calling. Oh, Savior, never let me go. Through the fire and the rain, your love remains. Oh, Jesus, you carry me home. Now my soul can finally breathe. Your light lives in me. Oh, Savior. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, Savior. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, Savior. Oh, oh, Savior. Many times I nearly lost my way, broken dreams and sky so gray, but your grace kept pulling me near, turning every sorrow into tears of healing. Now I dance